Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x800f0904 in Windows 11 computer. So error 0x800f0904 is caused by issues encountered during preparations or installations stage of the updates. It might be caused if essential system files are missing or corrupted, or if the earlier updates were not installed successfully and the system remained in partially update state. And other reasons of this error include complete Windows Update components and low disk space. And then I'll show you some steps to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable the Windows modules installers. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open run command. And then pop up this run, so here inbox, and then we need to type this command keyword services dot msc. So just type this command keyword services dot msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up this services and services local on right side, and then we need to find and locate this services Windows modules installer. So you need to scroll down. And then we need to find and locate this Windows modules installer. So if you already find this, and then but before to proceed, and then we need to check if this services is already running or not. But if not running the services, then the time to modify to open properties. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if this services is already running or not. So since this services is not running, so all you have to do is to select and double click again. And then here now at general properties, and then next step, so here now at startup type, and then you need to click this arrow, and then you need to select automatic. And then once you modify this settings, and then click apply, and then you need to click OK. Alright, so once you're done here, and then repeat this process for those services like Windows Update as services. So all you have to do is to select this Windows Update services. So select and then right click and then check if the services if already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to select only restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then once it's done, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this cryptographic services. So all you have to do is to scroll up, and then we need to find and locate this cryptographic services. So same procedure. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if this services if already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to select only restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this background intelligent transfer service. So we need to scroll up again. And then we need to select this background intelligent transfer service. So same procedures. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if this services if already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to select again this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after here, the modification setting here at services, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to select here at start menu, and then here for search for apps, and then you need to type this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up this Windows settings in here troubleshoots under at options, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. In here again at other troubleshooters under at most frequent, and then we need to select this Windows Update. And on right side you can see this run, and then you need to tap and click this run. and then you need to wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process, and then after completing the troubleshoots, and then you need to follow the screen instructions to fix this error. And then after that, and then we need to close, and then here are the start menu, and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. So click only restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x800f0904 in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.